Friends, in this video we will discuss global warming. But before global warming, we must understand, we must know what is greenhouse effect and what are greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbon, nitrous oxide, uh, water vapor and ozone. These are some greenhouse gases. They are found uh, in the atmosphere. Their layer is there in the atmosphere. This is greenhouse gases. Then greenhouse effect. 30%, about 30% heat energy radiated from the sun is reflected back to the space. 70% heat energy is absorbed by the earth, and this heat energy, 70% heat energy, is used in warming up water, land, atmosphere, all these. They, this energy is used to maintain an average temperature 15 degrees Celsius all over the globe. And in maintaining this 15 degrees Celsius average temperature all over the globe, greenhouse gases play a vital role. How? While absorbing, while absorbing greenhouse, solar energy, 70% solar energy, the earth simultaneously releases back uh, the heat energy. Absorption and release go simultaneously, and this the you see uh, heat energy released by the earth is absorbed by the layer of greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, methane, these gases. They absorb and re-emits, these gases re-emit this heat to the surface of the earth, and this way they maintain, these gases helped in maintaining an average temperature 15 degrees Celsius all over the globe. If this layer is not there, if the layer of this greenhouse gas is not there, these gases are not there, then what will happen? The heat released by the earth will go into the space, and uh, you see escape, the heat energy would escape, and temperature of the earth will come down to minus 18 degrees Celsius, which is not suitable for the life, any life form. Human beings cannot live in such minus 18 degrees Celsius. Therefore 15 degree, average temperature is maintained with the help of greenhouse gases. It is okay. This is called greenhouse effect. But what happens when the amount of these greenhouse gases in the atmosphere increases? What happens then? Then the heat released by the earth and absorbed by them, the amount of that heat energy increases, and though that heat energy is re-emitted to the earth. As a result, the temperature of earth increases more than the normal, becomes more than the normal. The temperature of the earth becomes more than the normal, and the temperature of the atmosphere also becomes more than the normal. Then in that situation, this is known as global warming. This is known as global warming. Then means the increase in the temperature of earth, of the earth and its atmosphere, due to the over concentration of uh, greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Reason behind this uh, over concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere: human activities. uh, First one, rapid population increase, deforestation, industrialization, transport and communication, the use of fossil fuel on a larger scale, and deforestation, and you see natural factor, volcanic eruption and earthquake, and other are also. drought situation is also uh, responsible for this global warming. Desertification is also responsible for this global warming. But behind all these, you see, all these human beings are responsible. Next is effect. What will be the effect? Effect number one: the glaciers of the world will be melted. The you see, polar region will be melted, and as a result, what will happen? The water level of the sea will increase, and this will submerge all coastal towns and cities and smaller islands that are there in the oceans and rivers. This will happen, and this will also create, uh, you see, variation in crop distribution, crop output, and population distribution. This will be the, and human beings, ultimately, finally, man, this climate, this condition of environmental condition will become so um, odd that no life form will be able to exist in this, in that form. Then this is global warming. I think you will like it. आपको अच्छा लगना चाहिए.